The amazing backdrop of Brno's theatre Divadlo na Orlí was used one November evening in 2018 as the venue where everyone of importance in Brno and South Moravia met. This was actually the place where the long-awaited event called the Best on Stage was held. This was the traditional awards ceremony Top MPS for the best small and medium-sized company held by the Brno Regional Chamber of Commerce on the 14th occasion. A number of VIPs accepted the invitation to the stage, including the Czech Prime Minister Andrej Babiš, the new Mayor of Brno, Markéta Vaňková, the Deputy Governor of South Moravia, Hanák, the previous Mayor of Brno, Petr Vokřál, and a number of others. They were all welcomed to the stage by the evening's host and also director of the Brno Regional Chamber of Commerce, Čeněk Absolon.
Krásný večer vám všem.
I'd like to wish you a very good evening at our meeting of entrepreneurs and the 14th awards ceremony for the top small and medium-sized business of the year. This event is again totally sold out, and I'm happy that it's flourishing. This time we've given it the name The Best on Stage. Top best small and medium-sized companies from the Brno region and South Moravia. The competition is held under the auspices of the representatives of the city of Brno, the region of South Moravia, and the Czech Chamber of Commerce, represented here by its Vice President Michal Štefl. I think it's now very clear who's first. It's the company defending its gold medal from last year. This family company's main activity is producing equipment for sewing, adjusting and maintaining clothes for the home. Core program is now producing rotary steam irons for the home. The company is expanding and exporting to the whole world. It's a really top-level company. Holek Production. The award was collected by the procurement manager at Holek Production, Petr Holek, Prime Minister, the Mayor of Brno, and representatives of the Brno Regional Chamber of Commerce. Holek Production is a family business. We produce steam equipment, which is our core product. Our company developed from the company VSM Production when we produced sewing machines as part of the SVP group. When the company was closed down, we looked for a market for both the company and employees. At that very time, the holding company SVP issued a tender for buying rotary steam irons, which are now our flagship product. Incidentally, we won the tender. Why are we so good? I think that the main engine of our success is my dad, who really devotes himself to the work. In fact, I can say he's the driving force of the company, and I admire him for it. The company has around 25 employees today. I estimate that the company's turnover could be around 65 million Czech crowns. We congratulate the company Holek Production for their first place amongst the elite companies in the region, and we wish them much more success in their business in the future.